Hello everybody, in this video we'll take a look at the size differences between the Quest 3 and the Quest 2. Keep in mind that my Quest 2 actually had the silicone cover, facial interface, and something that improved the ergonomics when it comes to the head part, the straps. So this is something that I bought. Those are the things that appear in purple. But you can actually see side by side that the Quest 3 is the profile is considerably slimmer. Meta mentioned 30% if I get the number correctly. And yeah, you can see it here. Pretty obvious. Not a big deal. I mean, when I first got it, I mean, at least inside the package looks very small, but we can really compare them side by side. You can see that really it's, I mean, still, it's smaller, no doubt, but not something that you say, oh my god, this is just a huge step compared to the Quest 2. At least I didn't perceive it as such. Now again, when you look at the front, you can see a big difference, of course. The Quest 3 has a camera setup for both the new color pass-through. In the mixed reality, remember it has depth scanning, which allows the headset to scan the environment, do a 3D scan, and basically create a mesh of the environment, and this is done using those front cameras. And for those who are new to that, basically pass-through allows you to see your real world surrounding without having to take off the headset, and this is useful, of course, like when you want to check, for example, like your phone or do something, you know, without actually taking off the headset. But of course, it is used for mainly for the mixed reality experiences where the real world is mixed with virtual content, and you can see the real world via a live video feed to the headset, which is mixed with virtual content. Basically, the depth scanning will create a mesh of the environment, allow you to place objects where there can be occluded and create intersection and collision between virtual content and what appears as the real world physical object, although again there's a digital replica of the real physical objects and the entire room available for developers to interact with in their apps. Now the Quest 3 lenses are thicker. You can actually see it when you see the light bands. You can actually see that they have thickness. It's much thicker compared to the pancake lenses. They feel much thinner compared to the Quest 3. You can see those the aberration of light, the way the light distorts. You can see there's a thicker lenses compared to the Quest 3. And this is what actually allowed Meta to create a slimmer design for the Quest 3. Yeah, you can definitely see it here. Well, keep in mind there's also a coating on the lenses itself, so it seems again the different coating. I don't know which one is used here. For example, hydrophilic coating attract water and cause it to spread out into a thin film instead of forming droplets. So this makes it more difficult for fog to form. And surfactant coating it reduces the surface tension to water, which also makes it more difficult for fog to form. Now, I'm not sure which one is here. Probably something that helps solve the fog problem again, or glare. But again, definitely consider is coating there. They actually also mentioned on the lamp there's a sticker that kind of alerts you not to use any cleansing kind of liquids on it. Probably not to peel off the coating there. Yeah, we're still far from getting a glasses form factor, but again, we're getting there. As you can see, this is another iteration. It's going to get smaller and thinner in each iteration. And that's about it for this comparison. I hope you find this one useful. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.